How to take full-page screenshot in Android. Method 1. Using the built-in screenshot tool. Most modern Android phones already include a built-in scrolling screenshot feature. Here's how to use it. Open the web page, chat, or document you want to capture. Then press the power plus volume down buttons together to take a regular screenshot. Right after taking it, you'll see a small preview at the bottom of your screen. Next to it, tap the option that says Scroll, Capture More, or Scroll Capture. The name can vary depending on your phone model. Your phone will automatically start scrolling down and capturing more of the page. When you've reached the point you want to stop, simply tap the screen. That's it. Your long screenshot is ready. You can now edit, crop, or save it directly to your gallery. Method 2. Using Google Chrome's long screenshot feature. If you're using Google Chrome, it actually has a built-in tool for long screenshots too. Here's what to do. Open Chrome and navigate to the web page you want to capture. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Share. From the menu that pops up, choose Long Screenshot. You'll now see a preview of the entire page. Manually drag the handles to select the portion you want to include. Then tap the check mark to confirm. You'll get options at the bottom to edit, draw, or crop your screenshot before saving it. Once you're happy with it, tap Save, and your long screenshot will be stored on your phone. These are simple ways to capture long scrolling screenshots on any Android phone. Whether you use your phone's built-in feature or Google Chrome, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.